Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer. Today I have for you a Dollar Tree haul. So I spent about 30 something dollars at Dollar Tree, so you know what that means, 30 something items. And I hadn't been there in a long time and was just having fun with my sister. So anyway, I decided to do a little haul for you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. To be honest, I've had these things for about a week and I haven't even gone through the bag. I did buy a bag, another bag, for my mom's Mother's Day present, but that's about it that I've actually gone through. Okay, so I got this. You could never have too many gift bags. Keeping with the bag theme, they had a set of 3. I really like those colors. Isn't that pretty? I had to have a bag of the Double Bubble. I hadn't had any in a while, and I love bubble gum, so I had to get a bag of these. Other than the gum, the only other edible product I got is this. It's by Snackitudes. Snackitudes. It's called Coconutty Mildly Addictive Snack. Organic coconut chips, lightly toasted. I just thought they looked interesting. So for the serving, it's 1 serving per container. So 1 pouch, 280 calories, 23 grams of fat. I didn't look at that. Fairly low sodium, 2 grams of protein. Let's just try them. Okay, so they're little chips. They're little bitty. Looks like that. They're pretty good. The ingredients are organic coconut, organic cane sugar, water, sea salt, and then contains tree nuts, which is the coconut. And it says on the back too, for the ultimate treat, add to yogurt, fruit, or your favorite ice creams. So that might actually be really good to put in your yogurt. I found some cute stickers. These are just planner stickers, and they had different ones that were this brand, this Crafter Square, but they were different. They had different things on them. So I just thought this one was really cute. Reminder, priority, time to relax, big plans, get it done, to do, checks, note to self, goals, notes, done, pencil it in. So these are just pretty cute, I thought. I really need to start using my planner stickers more. Also found these stickers for my niece who loves dinosaurs. So she's going to be having a birthday pretty soon, so I'll give her that for her birthday as one of the things. And then also, I love these. Have you ever used these? These are the foil sheets, so the pre-cut pop-up foil sheets by Reynolds Wrap. So they're 25 in here for $1. I think that's a really good price. For me, it's much better than having the roll and having to tear it off, because if I'm using it to cook something in the oven or whatever, it's just so easy just to take one of these out and put it on the pan and put your stuff in there. So I really do like these. I thought this was just really cute. Okay, so this is a clip. It's there's a tag on it, so I probably won't be able to open it. Let me see. Okay, so it still has the little tag thing on it. So I just thought this was really cute. Just a clip with a little bow or whatever on it. Actually, I have my hair in a clip today, but I don't think that would match too well. It might, because there's different colors in the little friends dots there, so I might put this on later. I just thought this was cute. Next bag. This is a Sterilite container, and Sterilite's a pretty good brand, I think. And this fits, or the size of this is 6.5 by 5 1/8 by 4, and it holds 3 by 5 note cards. So I probably won't use it for that. I might end up using it for something at work or something, or even like at my vanity. So I don't know. I just thought this was a really good buy for $1. This I thought was just cool, just interesting. It's a candle making set, and there are 3 scents in there. It's apple cinnamon, magnolia, and apricot citrus. And for what they give you 3 of these. So this is the apricot citrus, and this is the apple cinnamon, and this one is the magnolia. They give you the little jar with the wick already down in there. So you just pour the little candle beads in there and make your own little candle. Isn't that cute? I got 2 pair of Westcott scissors. So Westcott's a good brand. I'm always looking for scissors somehow. So I figured I would just go in and get 2 and kind of stash them in different places around the house just to have, because like I said, I hate when I can't find a pair of scissors. Here is the other little thing that I got for the hair, and let me see if I can get this off. So just a little headband. Let's see. It's cute. I'll leave it on. This was kind of open, so hopefully it didn't get all over the place. Some Dial coconut water and mango soap. Can never go wrong. And it smelled pretty good too. This I just had to get for my husband. Dog Daddy. I just thought that was so cute. He'll like that. And then my sister told me about this, and I was like, that is a genius idea. Okay, so this is the contact lens case from Dollar Tree, and she said that she had seen some people putting pills in there. So instead of carrying the little Tylenol bottle or whatever, they put their pills in there. Isn't that a good idea? And it's cute. So that's what I'm going to use it for. Now I'm going to be doing like a Dollar Tree makeup kind of get ready with me at some point. So I got maybe six little things. I got some highlighter. I won't show them all to you now because I can just show them to you more in depth in that video. But a highlighter, a mascara, a blush, an eyeliner, a lipstick, and a brush, Wet n Wild brush. Lastly, I picked up some stuff from this brand, Bolero. My sister said that people have been loving stuff from this brand, so I thought, you know what, I'm just going to pick up a few things. So I got this hydrating body oil, and this is watermelon and aloe. It says it's for face, body, and hair. I don't know. I don't know about face, and I don't know about hair. I might put it on my body, but it says after shower or bath, while skin is still damp, smooth on a few drops to help seal in moisture. Let body dry naturally or simply pat dry with a towel. Suitable for all skin types. So the first ingredient in this is mineral oil and then fragrance. So it's pretty highly fragranced, I guess. Next, I got this hydrating facial mist, and this is in the watermelon and aloe scent. The first ingredient is water and then glycerin and then some other things. It just says before drying off from your bath or shower, spray on the mist. Use all over the face to refresh, moisturize, and fragrance your skin. That's weird. I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't know about that. Let me smell it. I mean, it smells really good. It actually smells like a fruity shampoo. That's kind of what it smells like. Okay, next I got this Bolero moisturizing body polish. This is coconut oil and sea salt. It says it's paraben free and color free. And I don't know if this is sealed. Okay, yeah, it's sealed on the inside. I can smell it though, and it has a pretty pleasant smell. So I will try to use this in the shower and see how I like it. It says apply a generous amount on wet skin, massage for 1 to 2 minutes in a circular motion, rinse with warm water, reveal silky and smoother skin with each use. So that might be good. And then lastly, this is the Bolero Hydrating Bath Soak in watermelon and aloe. That's the same scent as this facial mist. So this just says to add 4 to 6 tablespoons to running bath water, soak and enjoy. Yeah, this one smells good. It's really scented though, so if you don't like highly scented things, this might not be for you. But yeah, it's pretty scented, but it smells really good. So that's my Dollar Tree haul. What do you think? I don't go to Dollar Tree that often. There's one not too far from me, like 3 or 4 miles, so not real far, but I feel like it's a small one. They don't carry a ton of stuff. Like, we don't get a ton of the really cool things that you might see in other Dollar Tree hauls. But anyway, let me know if there's something that I should look for. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will like this video. I hope you will subscribe, and I hope to see you soon.